Estamos en las nubes.
So we just got to the top and you can literally hear this thing.
It's not even been a minute.
Finished. Good morning, everyone. Today we're hiking one of El Salvador's most famous volcanoes, but we had a little bit of a hectic start. Our guide arrived super early and we were just kind of on the go. So now we're midway through the hike. So we'll explain a little bit more as we go. Come along the journey.
So this hike to Santa Ana Volcano is about 5 miles from the entrance to the volcano crater and then back down. We're kind of halfway there, I would say. So far it's a really beautiful hike. We're hiking through the trees. We're looking out for birds and different wildlife. And we're enjoying this cooler weather up here. This volcano is located on Lake Cotopeque, and around that lake there's 3 volcanoes. And if we're lucky, and if it's not too cloudy, we'll get to see the view of everything.
I said it's looking a little cloudy to me, so I don't know, we'll see.
Santa Ana Volcano is an active volcano. And the last eruption that it had was in 2005. It's hard to talk and walk and hold a heavy camera. So for this hike, we did decide to go with the tour. So we're with a group, and we'll leave the group link in our description below because so far we really love it. And with it, we have a tour guide, Josue, who's telling us a bunch of facts along the way about animals, plants, about the volcanoes, the history, and all around geography. So.
Cinnamon, because of the color. That's why I told you yesterday, bring snacks.
For canela.
He told us that we're about 30 minutes away, so this terrain's really rocky. Jenna's gonna have a hard time going down this for sure. She'll do great.
I don't think we're gonna be able to see the view. It's a little cloudy.
Travel buddy.
Vamos,
Canela. Vamos. So there's like 170 volcanoes in El Salvador, but only 23 are active. And Santa Ana is one of those. So we'll be able to see the activity inside the crater. So from where we just were, you could see where all the lava flowed down from the explosion in 2005. It just ran along all down the side of this volcano. Now I'm really starting to smell sulfur. Getting that gross taste on my mouth. I have to put some gum in or something.
So, if you see this one and this one, they look the same color. Both of them, they were ash.
The crater is just ahead. We've almost made it. Probably look like a mess.
Felicidades.
Felicidades.
Has llegado a la cima, el más alto de El Salvador. O acercarte mucho a la orilla es peligroso.
Es peligroso.
All right, time to run.
Man's running, leaving me in the end.
The dust.
You have to come up here to see it better.
Whoa. Holy crap. So we just got to the top and you can literally hear this thing. Like, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get it on camera, but it's crazy. You can just listen to it. Listen to the power of the volcano. And also, this is bluer than I've seen the pictures online. So I was kind of expecting like a little bit of a less saturated blue, but it literally looks like a
Seafoam green.
Seafoam green. That's a perfect way to put it. And you can see like the I don't know if it's like water vapor or smoke coming out of the volcano.
She is. I don't know what kind of plantain chips these are. They might be the best.
These are unbelievable. Dulce bendición. But they're not very sweet.
Maybe Dulce made them.
Oh. So now that we're at the top, there's these two guys that apparently hike up here every single day to sell popsicles.
So
And
of course we're getting one.
of course Jenna has to have one. And I want one too.
I
So
love popsicles.
here we go.
Zapote.
Oh, so
Zapote. Zapote is one of the local fruits.
oh, I'll do zapote. Is it good?
Zapote is like, isn't it fruit?
Ahí hay ensalada de frutas, pistacho, coco, zapote, tamarindo,
Tamarind,
chicle, nance.
bubble gum.
Un chicle para
This
mí.
is zapote.
Las dos
Sí.
serían $3.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias. I got zapote and Andrew got chicle.
Chocolate, fresa,
And
mango.
they said that these were a little more natural. It's like fruit and water. How is it?
Tastes like gum.
Mine's really good.
It's really good though.
Mine's kind of sweet, like banana and like bubblegum too.
50.
It's not even been a minute.
I finished.
It's my worst nightmare.
Do you want to finish the popsicle here or do you want to walk?
We can walk slowly. Yeah, it's okay. He was like, is it good if we walk and eat the popsicle? I was like, yeah, as long as we're going slow. He's booking it. No.
Fortunately, my popsicle is gone. But holy crap, what a view, what a time. This was super, super unique. And also something that we did not mention. This is like a stratovolcano. So it's a water-based volcano. So that's why you can see in the crater that little lagoon type of water. Very unique and very, very blue. Like, this was a fun little adventure. And we're not even done yet because we get to go see Lake Coatepeque. No, I think we get to go get lunch, and we don't even know what's involved in this tour. We're just along for the ride. We just paid and we were like, yeah, sure, we'll do whatever. Drop a popsicle on the ground.
Another thing I want to say, you don't have to do a tour. You're allowed to hike up here alone if you want. We just wanted a guide and transportation here and a little bit of the history and geography about the area. Estamos en las nubes. Still working on the popsicle. I can't focus on both things at once.
Back into the rainforest we go.
We're almost to the end.
Almost to the end, we're walking back to the car, and then we will be going to our next destination, which is gonna give us a great view of Lago Coatepeque.
The parking lot is ahead.